Is it on? Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm with my cousin Tristan.
Hi.
Oh my god. Okay, and then
That's not my real voice.
Okay, that's enough. And it's me, my video. Okay, and I'm trying to print this, and do you think you're cool?
No, I just think it's funny.
And this is not working. Okay, now. Hey, that's on me, that's on me. And my printer, I tricked it. You know how? You don't know how? Well, could you shut up? You're interrupting my video. Hello? Hey. Yeah, hold on. Okay, stop the video. We'll make a new one.
This is my life. Sucks, doesn't it?
Mom?
Yeah, oh crap, everything's going upside down now. Ah,
Michelle's on the phone.
oh crap. On the floor, on the ceiling, on the ceiling, it's on the floor. And everything is going back to normal. Wow!
Is this still going?
Yeah.
You are such a douchebag.
Hey, I'm trying to have some fun.
Turn.
Oh, you stupid.
Okay.
Oh, come on, let's watch some Dane Cook. How did we...
No, Dane Cook is not in my video.
You said you're gonna marry him.
He's too cool for my video.
I thought you said you were gonna marry him.
No.
Oh,
No,
yes. Yes.
Shut up.
Yes.
Do you think this is big enough? Hey, do you guys think this is big enough? I'd say it's big enough. They cannot see it.
I know.
Hey. Okay, this is gonna work. Oh no, I took
This
out all the
ended
paper.
right about now.
It didn't even end. You didn't even turn it off.
I know. God. So persistent.